Hey guys, Kenyon here with Locality. I just wanted to do a little bit of more of an in-depth dive into our postcard template page and explain a few different things. So first of all, if you have updated your business profile, you're going to see a QR code, headshot, company information, and a logo right here, as well as the message, the handwritten text on the left-hand side right here. We have the three different sizes. Uh, if you're going to do a bigger size, I would only use the bigger sizes if you're wanting to put more text on the left-hand side there. If not, I just do the 4x6 every time. Looking at the handwritten text, so there's two different variables I want to talk about here. So the first one's going to be the phone number variable. You would just type this out or copy this from down below here. Is what that's going to do is if you choose to use the phone number variable placeholder, uh, in the campaign side, when you go to checkout, it's going to ask you for the phone number you want called. This is how we bounce phone numbers, and this is how we track all the phone calls that come through in this specific campaign. And so you would just use that phone number there. If you're not wanting to use one of our tracking numbers, just type in the phone number you want called in this message, and it'll pop up over here. If you're wanting to use the mail address variable, is what's going to happen is it's going to pull the street name from whatever address you typed in when you went to do your address search. So, for instance, in this case, 123 Johnson Street, right? So, and then the way that would be worded, if it was in the contractor that was sending this out, I'm a local contractor working nearby. I noticed your beautiful home at, 123 Johnson Street or whatever the case is, right? So that's how that works. If you guys do want some help on handwritten text messages, look below this video and you'll see some options there. The last thing I did want to point out is going to be this text in the top right. The other side of this postcard is a street view image of the addressee's property. So we've done some testing and figured out that if we put a picture of the addressee's home on the front side of our postcards, then it increases the response rate. So the way that works for, let's say, like a customer journey, they go to their mailbox, they're opening up their mailbox, they pull out all their mail, and they see a picture of their home, and they're like, "What? What is this?" They flip it over, they see your face, your handwritten message, signed and addressed to them. So that's the customer journey, and that's how that works. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Send an email to info@locality.io. Thanks, guys.